Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your EA account. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, head on to your computer browser and you can choose any browser of your choice. Then go to this website right here, www.ea.com. Now once you're in the website, just scroll down until you see help right here. Just click on help and click on manage your account. And underneath this bar right here, just click on the bar and type on delete EA account. Now click on this option right here that says how can I close my EA account. So there's a difference between deactivating and deleting your account. So just read on this real quick. And if you're done reading it, just scroll down until you see contact us right here. Just click on contact us. And right here on search any EA product, just type on origin. And just click on the origin right here. So what platform are you playing? If you're playing on a PC, just click on PC. Or if you're playing on the Mac, just click on Mac. So right here, I'm just gonna click on PC because I am playing on my PC. And select topic, just click on manage my account. And select your issue, just click on delete account. Now once you select delete account, just click on select contact option. Now a case information will pop up. Just type on your name, your last name, and of course your email address. Now once you've done that, just click on next. So under subject, just type on delete my account and please describe your issue. Just type on I want to delete my account. And if you have files that supports your issue, just click on attach files and select on the file that you want to upload with. Now once you've done that, just click on email us. So EA is now creating your case. So once it's done, EA will confirm that they have received your case. So an advisor on our support team will email you soon. To check on your case, head on to EA Help and click on My Case. So just constantly check your email from EA, and from there you can delete your account from the email itself. So that's it for this video everyone, and if you find this helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!